Well, hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this wood carving kit for beginners and professionals. This thing is really cool. It comes in this little bag right here and has all of the utensils that you're going to need. I love, again, that everything looks really clean. It looks really crisp. Again, when you open it up, you just know, again, these are going to be great products. But I like that it has all of these little tools that you're going to be using. These are great, and if you're looking for some type of woodworking tools, these are definitely going to be a great option for you. Again, it even has some bigger blades, some smaller blades. It has this little hook as well right here. Show you this one. You see the little hook right there for any type of woodworking with that. And then again, it even has 3 of these smaller woodworking parts as well. And so again, I think these are 3 great options. But if you're looking for some type of woodworking, I think this is a great one to get started with. Like I said, or again, maybe you've been doing this a while and you're just looking for a new set. I think this is a great option for you as well. It comes with this little wax ring right here to help you with that. And then it also comes with some wood blocks that you can use, again, to make some good stuff. You also have gloves for safety as you're working, and then also a little leather strap to help you kind of sharpen everything, get it taken care of. So overall, I think this is a great little tool set for you right here, again, to get started, you know, working on woodworking, whittling around and kind of stuff like that. Especially if you're just getting started, this is a great set for you to jump on. Overall, I think this is a great option and highly recommend it.